using sort and reverse methods. So we have created a list already. Now, if we type the name of our list, which is list by capital L, and dot sort parentheses, then print the list and try it on terminal. Okay, sort method is sorted all the elements alphabetically: apple, book, camel, dog. So if we want to sort backward alphabetically, we have to type reverse inside the parentheses of the sort method equal true. Make sure T is capital letter. Always in Python we have to use capital letter T for true or capital F for false. Alright, try on terminal now. Great, it works well right now. Also, we can use reverse method to sort the elements from the end or from right to left. So to do that, type the list name, which is list dot reverse with its parentheses. Then save the file and try it on terminal. As you can see here, it's reversed from right to left. Thank you so much.